Hello, my name is Milward, and today we are going to see what is the comparing models in the Eloquent. Last video we were talking about the local scope, and I didn't upload yet, and I hope that video is helpful for you. Let's go to see what is the comparing model in the Eloquent. Here you can go to laravel.com, docs version, for example 10x or 11, but 11 is not exist yet, and eloquent and the comparing model section. So sometimes you need to determine for example two model is the same, and in the PHP pure we have a method or some trick to check two for example variable is the same or not. But for the model you can use the is or is not method. And first we want to show a real example. We want to declare a product one product query. For example, find one. Let's see is the product one is correct or no. Is a real product or no. Let's see. Or we have a 57. For example, for product 2 is 57. So is null. So let's, for example, we can use get to see for example 11 or sorry 18, and you can use the find or fail, but is find is better for now. Here we have a two product is the same model with the different attributes. For example, title is Miss, but is the title is Milward, or price is, for example, 24,000, but here is the 1,000. So let's use a product one and use is, and pass a parameter for is a product 2. Is just get a model, and here checked if the product if the model is not null and some condition. So the condition is the check the get key is the same. Get key is the ID and table and also connection. For example, is a MySQL and is a Postgres. Is a SQL server, is a MongoDB, for example. And so let's see what is the result. So oh, I don't need to use semicolon. I don't just comma it. It's a false. Why this be happened? Is the product are the same, the connection also the same, but here we have a get key here for the condition, and the get key are different because for example we can use the ID for check. Here is a 57 and is 18, and is the difference. And also we can use the is not is a true because it's is false, is upside down the is method. So let's the both ID is or both product is the same. Let's see, the is true because the two products are the same, and also the attributes are the same. And here you can see return a true. And you can for example here for example category, and let's use category product 1 for example for the better understand what is this, and category ID is the ID. I write dirty code because I want to show an example. You can use clean code. So the category, so I need to category and just need to find product 1 category and the ID, or you can use the category ID. Here is you can use is for relations, because we have a relations that is a category, and now I'm find for example a category, for example from the client sent a category ID. I find the category ID and check the product category is the same with the, for example, category that find from the client. And you can also use the category, use the relation for the is not method is the same. And that is a comparing model in the Eloquent. And you can check the if you want to, for example, just need to check the table are the same, you can use the get table. And for example you can check like this. Some developers check like this is a false, and for example get class. We have a lot of way to comparing the model or comparing the class in the Laravel or PHP, but I show some way to know about this. A get class is return the class with the namespace, and you can see, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and the previous video is about the local scope is so hard to export, I don't know why, and that's it. So let's go to the next video is about the events in the Eloquent, and it's very important subject in the Eloquent. Is one of the most one of the important subject in the Eloquent, because you can you can use a lot of thing with the events in the Eloquent. And for one example, I develop a new package is a Laravel user monitoring, and use the events that on the Eloquent. For example, I think yes, in the model we oh sorry, is a trait, and we are working with the Eloquent or model event. And next video we talk about this and the events in the Eloquent. I hope this video is helpful for you, and until next video, goodbye.